Do you remember Twinkle, how she used to carry her food bowl around? Remember that, Twinkle? She would carry her food bowl to you. I mean, she was the fattest dog I owned, right? Because who could say no when they pick up their dish and bring it to you? She was perpetually hungry. What you doing, Brene? That was funny. You gonna learn to beg? Bring your food bowl to me? I washed all those bowls. There's nothing on the bowl, it's clean. Silly goose. Yeah, I'm not gonna pick it up now. I'm not gonna be cutesy now. Not gonna be. I'm not gonna be cutesy now. It's a boo, my stuff. It's a boo, my stuff. It's a boo, my stuff.